Hello, tell me at the Middle Railway Centre to do a model railway review. Don't normally see me do the model railway on watch video, so today we'll be unboxing, as we recently got the one of the new Fast 91s in the GNER livery, because I have. So just got ready up its box, so need to place it down. Like this. Don't do that. That's the Sheffield thing. It looks very good. So not the spare couplings, so don't need that. So just need to gently open this. Nice and steady. Hello. Oh, that's really nice. Fast 91. And it's not the double fans there. That's the other ones. There's another one. And this one, that's the new. This is the new model. So done it. And it's not the Panda Giraffe. And then test it, see if it runs alright. Got the and yeah, that's it, the lighting. So yeah, then see how it runs alright. So we got the 91. So let's see if it runs. Oh yes, runs smoothly. Oh, I like that headlight. Oh, I like the headlight. Oh, the blood tent lights. Oh yes, it runs smooth. Oh, it runs smooth. Oh my god. See the blood tent lights. Oh yes. Oh, that looks very good. So, it runs smooth. Look at it. Runs smooth. So So also not HSTs with this with the Mark III. Also not the bushwing in from Days Master, and not the 56. No, not the US47 and 20 as well. Yeah, yeah. I was very disappointed. I couldn't that the 91 with the decoder as the this one has the 21 pin, and on the website it's got 8 pin, and there's no space for the speaker, and lost few screws, so did it back together. Just lost 2 screws, and that's it. But it's still running alright. Watch. Still running alright. Still running smooth.